So guys, today we're gonna work with a Volvo. This is an S80. This is a 3.2 engine capacity. So guys, we go to the front part. We just open the engine. So first of all, guys, remove this connector right here. Yeah, we take this connector out, and then from here, then we pull it right out. This guy is disconnected with that one thing right there. Okay. You disconnect from down there. So guys, when you look down below there, I'm going to show you guys how to pull out the hoses and how to take them out and how to access guys, just right here the transmission pan. Alright guys, when you come under the car, this is what you're gonna see. We have our pan here. It's leaking as crazy. So we have the pan here, and we have these lines going to the to the radiator. We also have this hose here, guys, which is connected here, which goes up. It's blocking the way to the pan, so we have to remove it from here. So for the pan to come out, guys, there's a bracket up there. I'm gonna show you in a moment. And then guys, we have to drain the transmission fluid which is in there. So right here, guys, this is the drain. So it's in two parts. There's the one in the middle, which you use a 40 it Tox 40 to drain out the fast fluids before you remove the larger one with the Allen key 17. Alright guys, when you look up here, guys, there's these two balls holding the bracket. There's a hose, guys, which is a ground wire which goes across the pan, which we'll have to remove in a moment. Up there, guys, you see those hoses right there. We have to take them out, all of them, so that it gives us access, guys, to have free space to pull out the pan from in there in transmission. So guys, we're going to use a T40. See, the Tox 40. So what you're gonna do first, guys, we're gonna open the small bolt. This will give us access to use the Allen key 17. If we don't open this one first, guys, we are not going to open the bigger one, the bigger bolt. Okay guys, it's open. So this is our T40. So make sure, guys, there's a seal in there. Make sure next every time you replace your transmission, make sure you put a good seal, or check for cracked seals, and then you put a new one so it avoids leaking. Alright guys, we're gonna use Tox Allen key 17 is the one who's gonna allow us to drain all the remaining oil which is in the transmission, so that before, guys, we begin anything on the process, we have to drain all the oil first, then so that we can begin the process of replacing, doing our transmission service on the pan and taking out and then cleaning the area, then putting new seal, and then it should be able to work for us. Alright guys, once that is done, we're going to open this 8mm which is on both sides on these lines going from the transmission to the radiator. And guys, watch out, they're so brittle, guys. Don't push them hard. I've disconnected the lower coolant hose to give me access to this ground wire, which is going to be a 10 millimeter. So guys, I'm just opening this 10 millimeter, which is holding the ground wire, and then I separate the ground wire to the side. Then guys, I use 8 millimeter, guys. Don't mind my tool is a bit shaky. So I open the lower 8 millimeter, and then I open the upper 8 millimeter. I have to open both of them. And guys, make sure you have something to catch the transmission fluid, which is going to leak from here, which is coming from the radiator and the transmission at the same time. So here we are, it's out. So guys, once the lower part is out, then we can go up there, and then we can take the rest from up. So guys, when you're up on the engine, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to remove these coolant hoses. We have this one right here, then we have the other one down there we have opened, and then we have this ones to the radiator just right here. So I'm going to show you in a moment. So we have to take out the almost all like 4 hoses on this side, holding 2 for transmission and then 2 for coolant. We have to take out, guys, the ground wire, which is just right here. It's a 13 millimeter. Okay guys, this is the tip, guys, of removing the lower radiator hose. You just pry it from the side. There's a small opening there. Then guys, you see now there's some space which is showing up right here, and then we have to move like a few hoses, and then it will give us enough space to do the service. So guys, I pull out the hose. This hose, guys, how to pull it out is a bit tricky. You push it to the left side anti-clockwise. Once it's down like that, guys, it's good to come out. But if it's locked in clockwise position, it's a bit tough for you guys to pull it out. So you have to take it, turn it anti-clockwise all the way like that, then it should be able to come out. Okay guys, down here we have a last bracket. Although guys, this might be optional, but for me to have enough space to do the service, I have to take out this bracket. It's held by three 10 millimeter and then 2 13 millimeter, which is going to be the low. Once you do that, guys, you pull it out, it will come out as so. And then guys, we have enough space to do any service. And then once on top right here, guys, next to this we have the where we have to put in our new transmission oil. This is where we're going to put it. Is a Tox 40. No, it's not a Tox 40. It's a Tox. It's a Tox 50, something like that. Once you do that, guys, once the service is done, you can open right here and then put the fluid in. So guys, I'm going to use a Tox 40 to open all these balls holding the pan. Guys, in total they're going to be 12 balls, so I make sure that so guys, this ball which is going to be on the side here is a bit tricky, so you have to use like a flex thing. Just give you access. Is only one ball, the others are easy to move them out, so just pay attention, then take your time, then you'll be able to come out. So guys, you just pry it out. Once that thing is out, once you pry out, it should be able to just come out easy. And then once that is done, guys, you can do the rest in reverse. So that's it. Our one is out. So guys, this is how the transmission look like. It's on the side. So guys, you can do the cleaning and then you put the new seals and everything, guys, and then you can do everything in reverse.